Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? I hope my internet is cooperating because it just died and hopefully it's back now. We'll find out. But anyway, today is Saturday, April 29th of 2023. And we're back for yet another stream. The plan for today is to do some pretty good stuff. Specifically, Gabernat wanted me to champion through a change to Pregment auto up dog, which I don't really want to support, but at the same time I think this is going to be write once code that's not too complicated and we just won't have to think about it after that. But yeah, that's the plan for today. We will take a look at that. But let me say hi to everyone who's here. Let's see, we've got Snipsy, who has resubbed at 26 months. Thank you for the resub. Snipsy, good to see you again. Hello, hello. Skill Shadow Legends. Grand Pial's also here. Oh, why didn't it replay? There we go. Thank you for the resub at 23 months, which is getting you one bit closer to that 1 year. D-Dolls, thank you for the bits. Yeah, my internet went down. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Let's see. Beldothis was first today. JJMC is second. I saw John NV1 before the stream started. Snipsy's also here. Hello, hello. Chair, yes. How you doing? Because you're doing the game jam thing. Cool. Sounds good. It didn't even say it all? Huh. TM rights reserved copyright. I don't even know what the SM one is. That one's like something mark. I don't fucking know. I don't know. Chair. Hello, hello. I said hi to you twice. D-Dolls, how's it going? I didn't trip over the power cord. My internet just blipped. I don't know why. I have no explanation. Crampiel, hello. How you doing? What is this screenshot that you have sent? Oh, it is a terrifying AA bunny. Terrifying. Allie's also here. I mean I go live at this time every week. This isn't different. This is just when I go live. Yeah. Colin Raku, hello, how you doing? Mr. Singh, welcome back. Good to see you as well. But yeah. Oh, did my internet die again? I'm getting network error. Are we fine? Is everything okay? Chat's still working, so maybe it's fine. Normal Saturday stream that totally hasn't been skipped for the past month. I mean... Yeah... Wait, didn't we do last week's? No, that was PyCon. PyCon, up north, vacation. Yeah. Oh well. Anyway, we're back. We're back. I promise. I gotta record videos tomorrow because I don't have any left. So in theory, videos will return next week. No promises on that, but that is the plan. Beldonis asked about the plushies. Yeah, there's a the bee has been there for months. Or months. It's been there for a month and a half. The bee has been here for a while. I don't want to touch the bee because then the glasses will fall off. And then we have house. We have house here, and we have squishy Pikachu that is shaped like friend. But yes. Oh, and car. We have car. Car is not a plushie. But yeah, there are new things in the background. Is that it? The Pokeball. But the Pokeball's been there for a while. The Dusk Ball. But yeah, squished a car plushie. Oh. It comes off of its stand. It is my vehicular, but in like 3D printed for me for some reason. Also, they put the VIN on the plaque for God knows why. I have no idea why. And I already chipped the paint on it somehow. But yeah, the little chip right there. But no one sees that. As long as it sits like this. Yep, there's no chip. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, Noodle's there. It does stuff like this, but also really high quality anime art that's totally not having 5 arms. Yes. Anyway, we actually have some open source since last time, oddly enough. I did a little bit offline, I think. I don't know, it's been a bit. Yeah, we did this thing. This was last stream? Yeah, this was last stream. So last stream we worked on weird aliasing bugs where this alias would get attached to this import due to the way the tokens were pulled apart due to an oversight. But quick little fix by recording the end offsets and then slicing to the ends rather than how it was working before. But yeah, that was last stream. Kevin, what is Barrow Boop? How you doing, Kevin? Thank you for the resub at 33 months at tier 3. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. It's been a bit, cause well, I've missed a bunch of Saturdays and then you missed some Saturdays, but now we're both here. Good to see you again. Shaz is also here, who says, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again, Shaz. How you been? How's life? You're on the home stretch. You're almost graduated. Autocomplete on iPad. Ah. Oh, is it beep boop? But I understand. Nice. Okay, anyway, the match statement sucks, and so I had to fix it again in PyFlakes. Because apparently PyFlakes has special handling for functions that get defined in an if statement. And naively, without knowing that these are shared branches, this function redefines this unused function here. So made it understand match by this wacky little bit of code here. I also changed this to elif to make it ever so slightly faster. Yeah. Is it actually faster in this situation? No, but it's more. There really should be an else return none here also, but anyway, did this off stream because I was bored and I felt like it was self-contained enough that I could just knock it out. Shaz says, so excited for my trip that school's like second thought right now. Good thing you have a super easy quarter. I think I perfected all my travel stuff down to one carry-on backpack weighing 20.6 lubs. Damn, that's precise. That's also pretty impressive. I feel like I have not gotten good at packing optimization at all. Yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh. I think my dad assumes that I'm coming today, and I didn't tell him that I necessarily was. But he has sent me a message. Anyway, I might be planting trees later today. But yeah, so the plan for today is to finish up / rewrite this pull request. Oh, I guess we should merge this too. The one tricky thing about this is this didn't run the Ruby tests. So I might make it run the Ruby test. What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? What are you doing? Why are you under the desk giving the stationary drawer a reach around? Okay. All right. The Max Burn. Hello, welcome. How you doing? Wait, do I know you? I feel like I know you. I feel like you are familiar. You have just said hi there 3 times in stream. At least you are consistent. But welcome back. Hello. Chi-Chi, thank you for the raid. Welcome. How you doing? Good to see you again. How was your stream? What were you working on? Hello, invisible person. Who this person? Here, we will. Let me show you the. Is it in the MySpace pics channel? No, I can't show that channel. Junk Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 26 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. I should say hi to Raiders. Hi, my name is Anthony. I usually stream open source Python. I maintain a bunch of open source tools that you may have heard of, such as Precommit, PyTest, Talks, Flake8, Dead Snakes, PyFlakes, PyUpgrade, and about 50 other silly things. But thank you for the raid. Welcome, 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 Chi-Chi. Kevin, thank you for the 5 gift subs. Welcome to Subdom. Wolf, Chai Subao, Fernando, JJMC, and Philip Way. And here's your buttons, Kevin. Oh my god, what happened? Wait. I missed some stuff. Chi-Chi says, pretty good. Leak code contest. Nice, nice. Sounds good, sounds good. Kevin says, as you said, been a while. Really glad to finally check in again. I'm doing great. I'm going to compete in toughest.se. Oh. It is Tough Mudder. Is it a Tough Mudder? It looks like a butter, but it's not in English, so I have no idea. Sort of Fugle, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But how you doing, Drunk Time Lord? Limon, hello, hello. Welcome back. Drunk Time Lord says, I think I missed my 25th because time zones, but perma-sub, so yeah. Nice! Nice, nice. Yeah, well, also I missed like a month of stream, so. Toronto Epic says your keyboard is broken. Oh no. How did this happen? What happened to my keyboard? Marion G says silly is the word that keeps the internet going. Indeed. Yes, but anyway, let me show you one of our cute photos of my new partner from when we went to New York and had to take many photos by trees with small flowers. Right? What are you doing? Okay. He's currently crawling under the desk. I am not in that way, chat. Don't. This
is exactly why I don't want you to say anything.
Okay. Anyway. Junk Time says I'm working on compiling the standard with MyPyC. Oh boy. Which parts? Because I started trying to do that with like the tokenize module, and it made it slower, and I was like, I'm sad. This was not worth it. But yeah. Kevin says it's a 10K obstacle course, includes water, mud, and running obstacles. Oh. Yeah, I deserve that bonk. Wait, am I in high latency mode again? Did I fuck this up? I feel like the bonk should have been several minutes ago. How do I do this? Stream settings. Latency. I'm in low latency. Weird. Anyway. I tried Tomolib and I got tuned 2.8x faster. That makes sense. I understand that. Are you trying to determine the delay? There is actually a way to do this on stream. If you are watching the stream, let's see if I remember how to do this. You can do settings, advanced, video stats. Yeah, and then you can see latency to broadcaster. Apparently I have 2 seconds latency to myself. Because, of course. Iran Bragas F, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, 3 seconds is not bad. But all that stuff, sometimes I don't understand why I get any boost with MyPyC. I remember, for example, when I tried to MyPy CFI Ukonin thing a while ago, and I got no boost whatsoever. So the reason there was no boost on that is because there is very little purelib code, and most of the optimization in MyPyC comes from any sort of purelib. If you look at Ukonin, there's actually, there's literally this function is the only thing that is purelib, and this is not super, there's not much to gain here. Like, okay, yeah, maybe it can remove this len call, but it's also going to add his instance calls. So it adds type checking at the boundary, and then it's going to be able to call len without having to do the lookup. So it's like kind of 50-50. But MyPyC really benefits in like large purelib things. And most of the, thinky bits of Ukonin is in this the C++ file. Now, if you were to rewrite the C++ bits in purelib, and then MyPyCFI that, then you would probably get a decent speed up. Oh, you were making the purelib one. Oh. Huh. Then unclear. It probably should have sped it up. Unless something. Dust42, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. FS Cool says, is it Sakura Tree? A what? Oh. Was it? I don't know. My partner says no. I have no idea. It was just tree with small pretty flowers. Sussy says, have you read this Rust article? Probably not. The reason to be faster is things like attribute access, loops, etc. Would be in C because of type constraints. Yeah. Well, because normal Python is look up arbitrary thing in dictionary, call function, hope it returns value, check that it's not null, etc., etc. But in C, you can just be like, yes, look up my symbol and call function directly. Wolfred, hello, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. Kevin says, kids are sleeping and I'm at the computer. Finally got rid of the iPad. Ah. Was it because you didn't need it anymore, or or computer better? Chuck Time says it definitely won't be faster than a C implementation. Yeah, because you're still going through the Python layer of stuff. He also says, can we talk about, oh my god. Well, but first, Wolfred has gifted 5 subs and I don't really have too many buttons left. Show me, I mean, Kevin's already here, so you already got it. You already got it, Wolfred. Thank you for the gift subs to Mega Jandro, I don't finish any tea, Zyzep, the turd, Koi Island. Oh, no, Kevin, I don't have any buttons left. Kevin, thank you for the 5 gift subs. Welcome to Subtim Larry. I'm an NB. Pinhead Gamer, Will M, and Vimic. We've also got Gabriel, who has resubbed with Prime at 2 months. Thank you for the resub, and congrats on your fancy new badge. There's your Kevin command. And we also had Nishant. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Oh no, we have Hype Train. Oh, that's why this is happening. Gun says, how did I miss the whole party? Well, yeah, because I haven't streamed very much and you've missed a few of the streams, but yeah, we went to New York and took a bunch of cool, cute photos, and I think she's doing cable management right now. That's my guess at why I hear lots of noises. Needle says, can we talk about the cringe code that I looked at, where a Python project is xxx/source/y/z/a/b source c source blah. Holy shit. Yeah, deep aliases are, or deep namespaces in Python projects also grind my gears. Wolford says, I'm doing well. How are you? I'm doing great. I'm doing very good. Every says, for some small things like removing his instance checks or overloads from your Python code can speed up by like 10x. Yeah, that makes sense. MDS Ubuntu, hello, hello. How you doing? Kevin says, now you can sell her things to donate subs to whenever I start stream. Oh no. Snitchy says, I used to have package source file in my source, like it was source/packet. Oh god. You Java-ified it. Standard Robot, thank you for the resub at 4 months. Who says, woot woot. We've also got Strange Sorcerer, who has resubbed at 1 year. Thank you for the resub, and thank you for your continued support. And that gets you a fancy new badge. Welcome back, Strange Sorcerer. And welcome back, Standard Robot, of course, of course. One of these days we'll get the shirt as well. Yeah, maybe if I do a tub strim, a degenerate tub strim. I have a tub. It's right behind the wall. I don't have a tub in my nice bathroom though. Hey-oh! Indeed, indeed. Rebel Scouter, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Karamarku says choo-choo. Wait. Does it say? Oh my god, Kevin, you're up to 389? What the fuck? Golden Lion says, do you think there would be interest in a game similar to Advent of Code where puzzles are given to a player are meant to be solved with code? Isn't that... Wait, I feel like last time you were in stream you were making a game. Are you still working on your game? Is that true? That was happening? Yeah, oh no, it was your regex game. Yeah, I was playing your regex game. I remember that. Dio Bandito, thank you for the resub at 34 months and 2 years in a row. Damn, it's been a good long pandemic, Dio Bandito. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Kevin says cable management is what me and Jenny call our sexy time as well.
Hell yeah.
I don't know how much they can hear you. Wait, say something. Okay, they can't hear that at all. But I think if you yell, they can hear you. Okay, maybe it's better that way. Anyway. My partner says hell yeah to the cable management comment. DL says, oh, and that project doesn't build properly, but works on my machine. I'll just ship your whole damn machine to prod. Nah. What? No. No, it's not. No, it's not. There's no chair here. Oh, the camera is cropped. Yeah. Snoozy says, I did Javify my TypeScript code, but it's easier to manage and build it that way. I think that actually tracks in TypeScript. I think that kind of makes sense. Hot tub stream pog, yeah. Golden9 says, always working on games. Nice, nice. Those COVID times, yeah. We recently found out that the local Costco has solved COVID. They took down their big COVID shields. It's over. There's no more COVID, guys. It's gone. JB Pratt, thank you for the resub at 36 months. God damn. 3 years. I'm doing great. It's good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. I always appreciate when you stop by. We've also got Easy Pie and Y Hallenbeck. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. A laugh track. Yeah. My stream is a laugh track now. You can hear her a bit. Ah, I see. The laugh said everything. Yeah. I need more badges. Yeah, I do need to get more badges. I have I had some ideas for more buttons. I wonder if the artist that I got them from is still doing arts. Maybe I will maybe I'll look into that. See if we can get more arts. The problem with TypeScript was long as import path, so I used module alias. That one was not good. I wrote a Python script that loops over my predefined links and replaces them. Oh no. Goldeneye says, do you think there would be interest in solving puzzle games with code? I think so. I mean, yeah, probably. I don't know that I have time for that. Oh, you found another squeaky door. My partner is obsessed with finding all the squeaky doors in the house and then fixing them. Little dab sneeze there. But this says, can you make a Jira for the new badges so you don't forget about it? Yeah, I need to make a Jira for new badges, for doing merch. What else? We're doing hot tub stream, for getting my cooking set up. Yeah, I have a lot of Jiras that I need to get done. Andrew Costa, thank you for the resub at 14 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for your continued support. Hope your Saturday or Sunday is going well. Dina says the keywords no longer show menu bar. I'm confusion. I don't know what you mean. That's already a few epics. Yeah. Put it in the backlog. At least 13 story points. Yeah. Negative nonsense. Hello, hello. How you doing? With the hay with 2 Y's. I'm always concerned about hays with 2 Y's. Cause that's like slightly I see. No, it's probably just a typo. Not being weird, right? Jira ticket for Anthony tries random ID users requested. I don't know how I feel about that. We could do a retrospective with Chad at the end of the spring to see what went not so well. Yeah, we'll do backlog grooming and all the other agile garbage. Oh, at the end of the sprint, yeah. What are our sprints? Are we doing 2-week sprints so we get like 4 streams in there? 4 streams min? Did you know that the more Y someone adds to their hey, it means they are interested in you? Hey. That's like at least 4 Ys. Okay, anyway. Wait, I might already have this person's remote. No, okay. Because they have done this a few times. Get remote, add this. Get GitHub this slash precommit. Get fetch this. Get checkout upgrade. Oh god, they've done this so many times. 2023-0330. Yeah, which is I guess now a month ago. There's probably a newer version because it's 0430 tomorrow. Snipsy says, so them, hey, with 6 Ys versus me. Heh. With no Ys. Negative Nonsense says, I like to throw in some extra suspicion now and then. I see. I understand. How do I do this? Is this still broken? Fuck. Yes, yeah, I'm just gonna downgrade talks. What could go wrong? Just go back to talks 3 again. Don't tell Garat. Oops. Just downgrading. Dr. Mark Q says PWA public weeb announcement. There's a new weeb game called Monkey Star Rail. Is there railing involved with this game? Why is it called that? Chester Rabbit says no weeb. No weeb only ban. Tests. What am I doing? Languages, Ruby test. Just to make sure the Ruby still works. Dr. Mark says, unfortunately no railing, just waifus. Okay. It's Star Rail because it's just a spaceship game. Oh, I see. Spaceships and waifus? Understood. Testing, make archives. It's just that I had to do it 3.8. Is that what it is? I forget. Using Python 3.11. Is that what we decided to do this with? See, that makes more sense. Discarding these. Yeah. Okay. Looks good. I should really make it run the Ruby tests, but yeah, I don't know. We'll figure out how to do that at some point. Honk at AI, yeah. On that note, thanks for reminding me to buy tickets for the Ghibli Museum. Ooh. Yeah, I've heard that's real nice. But also difficult to get tickets for. Unless you know that you're gonna be there for a while. But says, are you good code change like a ghosting? I already see the creator needs to give you some sort of authorization to be able to do it. Yeah, by default there's a little checkbox. Let us see if there is checkbox here. Yeah. Maintainers are allowed to edit this pull request. Yeah. That is the checkbox. Okay, so the problem with this is the tests don't pass, and the diff is a little bit messy. So I'm going to try and refactor things to be probably similar to this, but I'm not gonna do this stuff. Also, This is gonna get interleaved as fuck. I don't know the best way to do this. Because the problem is it was originally progressive output. And then what the fuck is this? Cast? Shouldn't be a cast. Ref info none or object. How is it object? Diff is a little bit messy. Understatement of the month, yeah. Yes, because it puts none in there. Is not object. I'm very confused. Don't know what's going on there. Negative Nonsense says, I've considered changing my last name for this exact reason. Oh. Still dumbfounded by how many websites out there do not handle Unicode characters. Like rendering my last name incorrectly or plain out refusing to even accept it. Yeah, that's kind of a mess. It is 2023, and surely we can accept non-Latin 1 or non-US ASCII. Brave Teddy says, do you like ORMs or do you prefer raw SQL/SQL builders? Most of my projects that I personally have written have not gotten big enough to require an ORM. Yeah. So yeah, I have not needed an ORM. Okay, I don't really like all of this, especially ternaries inside of f strings. So we're gonna completely rewrite this, which is what I didn't want to have to do, but it's fine. It's content. It's whatever. All right. Because handling special characters requires actually doing something. It really doesn't, though. You can just do something else. But yeah, anyway, to answer the question, if a repo becomes complicated enough, or there are like significant joins or other stuff, I would probably reach for an ORM. I have never done that in any of my own projects. I've only done that at work, where like, well, and Yelp had like fucking 6 ORMs, and so eventually we coalesced on SQL Alchemy, and I bet there's still 3 or 4 ORMs, and they haven't been able to get rid of the other ones. But yeah, in personal projects, I'm mostly just using prepared statements or stuff like that. Oddish, welcome back. It's been a bit. Good to see you again. SQL DSLs like Juke or SQL Alchemy Core are worth looking at as a middle ground. Yeah, I guess SQL Alchemy itself isn't directly an ORM. It's a query builder sort of thing. But I don't know, that the line there is a little bit gray for me as to whether that's an ORM or not. But I kind of consider them the same. The Illustrator, hello, good to see you again. The ORM queries are sometimes stupid, especially if we work with partition tables, so it's impossible to optimize query plans. Yeah, sometimes ORMs don't know better. I think about this a lot, where we're at the point where it is very hard to write handwritten assembly to outsmart a compiler. Because decades of experience have been poured into making compilers really fucking good. But we have not reached that level for things like ORMs or what else? There's something else that I was like thread schedulers. Even thread schedulers are pretty fucking good though. What was I talking about? I don't remember. Anyway, I imagine that someday we will get to the point where an ORM will will understand our system well enough to make those sort of optimization calls, or even like JIT the call properly. But Snipsy says, I know people that use SQL ORMs just to run plain SQL code in them. Like, why they're bought with an ORM if you aren't using its features? Yeah, that seems not a good idea. Parallel auto update. We're working on updog today. What's updog, Anthony? Oh, you know. I don't pretend to know the word vomit that comes out of my mouth sometimes. I did take my meds, I think. I don't know. Okay, anyway. So troll staring at me through the crack in my monitor. Yeah. Hi. How you doing? Hello? Can I help you? Infos.append none. Okay, so I think like repo config. Oh, I see. We skip some. Yeah, so I think the strategy here is going to be one, strip out local / meta, 2. Wait, where does the rev info come from here? Oh, we build one, then we get a new one. Can't be updated, we pen none. Otherwise we get a new value. Yeah, okay, that seems fine. And so we can write these two things are kind of the parallel work. Actually, this is really the only parallel work. Akin Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But that says I'm doing it right. How about you? Okay, we've already done this. Imadita says, staring through the crack. Do you have a minute to talk about your car's extended warranty? Hi, have you heard about our Lord and Savior, Rust the programming language? Oh no. No, we can't talk about the banned word in chat. Yeah, next you're gonna start talking about like pyproject.toml or line numbers. What? Oh, you don't know why line numbers is banned, do you? Sussy Gus, you've already said this. Stop it. No more. You've had your chance. Startup be 100% safe? Checky says, do you have some time to talk about God? Yeah. DDLs, you have this special sword, so you can say the banned words. Okay, anyway, strip out local meta, run updates in parallel, then stitch it all together. And I don't know that it needs to have the incremental approach. Raisin, hello, how you doing? And it says link to the repo to pre-commit. There you go. Yeah, I think I would have to kill the like incremental output. Which stickers? They should be in the box in your closet. What? I was PyCon. It was exhausting. I still think like I had a good experience at PyCon, but it also was So exhausting. I mostly did the like Sentry sponsor booth the entire time, and so it was tiring. And we didn't have chairs, so I stood for like 9 fucking hours. The answer says, TL, it's faster to write a database query as CSV to string.io and convert this to a pandas data frame via read CSV than to directly use a read SQL. What? That doesn't sound right. Remix Z, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think I'm just gonna kill the incremental output because I can't think of a way to keep it. And maybe that's fine. Maybe that's fine. Oh, this part's gonna be slow too, isn't it? Yeah. It needs to do both of these things. Okay. Yeah. Traveling for work in any context is exhausting. It usually isn't. So like in the past, places that I've worked have sponsored me to just go to PyCon and just exist at PyCon and be like, hey, look, I have my company on my badge. As like, well, I guess I could have done that with Sentry. I could have just like used my education budget to do that. And that would have probably been a more enjoyable experience, or at least an experience more on my own time. But whatever. I didn't see any talks. I didn't give any talks. It was fine. I wonder if we can talk about. Oh, is that de-askified? AC State fancy hotels and you have a generous daily allowance. Yeah, although I didn't use my per diem at all. I feel like God, this is gonna sound so privileged, but I feel like it is almost not worth my time to expense meals versus just paying for it myself. But the Max Burn says, any reason you fancy the letter T? I don't know. It's easy to type. It's there. It's temporary test. Something. Kevin says, my current client wanted me to come in for a 4-hour-long mega retrospective. Fuck that. That sounds awful. But no chairs. Yeah, if we had chairs, the 9 hours standing would have been less terrible. Raisin says, no chairs for 9 freaking hours. Seems like PyCon toggled standing desk forever. Other booths had chairs. We just needed to bring our own. And we just didn't. So, yeah. Selling your company is exhausting. It actually wasn't that bad. I feel like Sentry is a cool product. I don't know the product very well, so I was learning it at the same time. But, yeah. Massey! Welcome back! Thank you for the resub at 6 months. Oh boy. Oh no. Wait, where's my chapstick? Damn it. Let's go get my chapstick. And I need to get hand lotion. Oh, because my hands are dry, which is a pain. But welcome back, Massey. Thank you for the resub at 6 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. I hope you've been doing well. T is not just fast to type, it's also one of the fastest letters to pronounce. I feel like most letters are pretty fast to pronounce, except for W. W. Yeah. Kevin says, I don't expense the hours I'm home with the kids because the bureaucracy around filing the expenses is so damn bad. I'm definitely privileged to be able to choose, but still, if they just fix their shit, it wouldn't be a problem. Yeah. Sentry is not super stingy about expensing stuff. It's just I I just don't feel like doing it. Cat peasant. Thank you for the resub at 23 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. WWW to you as well. Raisin has also resubbed at 14 months. Welcome back to Subton. Good to see you again, Raisin. www. Fred, I was speaking to the US. In Sweden, we get paid to stay home with sick kids. Oh. Oh, yeah, that would never fly in the US. People would be real mad. Real mad about that. How can we exploit our workers more? Okay. Anyway. Is there a reason that I have split this function out? I guess to run it as a separate test? I guess so. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. We could also make auto update faster. Maybe we do that first? Maybe we do that first. Like, I think we can get to the history only clones and it'll be faster. So this is best case scenario. Is 5-ish seconds. See about worst case scenario. The output's already fucked, so maybe I don't feel bad about changing it. Oh. I did the ugly time. I do the... Oops. This will be worst case. Here's confusing, like you won't get paid by your company, but your insurance will. Oh, that's real weird. He also says, my manager recently had to deal with California's stupidity around paternity. What a nightmare. There's an application to help you skip the call line because literally everyone is always calling in. Oh no. Bellwada, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Vorser's also here. Hello. All right, so 8 seconds versus 5 seconds. Let's look at auto up. Nope, not that one. Wrinkles, pre-commit CI, auto updater. Like this blob none thing. Yeah, this all of this stuff. Okay, let's see if that makes things faster. What the fuck? Where is the init? Oh. Okay. Git command. Config. Maybe we change this. Oh, but some of these need output, and some of these need to be ignored. Command output B, git command. This. And then we can say quiet blob none. Yeah, let's try that now. Oh, I was profiling the wrong one. Should be faster? Slightly? Inconclusive. Let's see about the cached version. Oh, I'm not a second faster. It's slightly better. Marker says, what if you prefaced every output line with which hook the message belongs to? I mean, the problem is it's the repo, it's not the hook. And I don't think anyone's actually going to be reading the output, is the other part. And like, this is already messy. But, I don't know. How do you like my poor man's dead code finder I wrote for work? Have you seen my terrible one? Mine's oh my god, what the fuck? I mean, I guess this works. I feel like I've done this before. Find Ruby assignments and then find things that reference it not exactly one time. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, what? That was the other day I got scolded by my professor for a long function in my project code. It was 60 plus lines. Anyone's opinion about this rule? I think deciding to split a function based on its number of lines is a poor choice. Because often a function makes the most sense with all of its code in one place, and splitting a function unnecessarily makes the code harder to read rather than easier. If you have reusable parts, then sure, fine. But if they're not reusable, you're just making a future reader's day more of a pain in the ass. But unfortunately, we teach all of these, you know, cyclomatic complexity bad, and line length bad, and or line count bad, or module too long bad, and it leads to people overdrawing and splitting stuff up, and oh, like, you know, inline constants bad too. Like, if it's only used in one place and it's extremely obvious what it's doing, like making a constant for it just makes it, oh, what is days in a week? No, just fucking use 7. Of course you know that 7 is days in a week. But anyway. Oh no. Oh, no. I'm surprised. Is it gonna stop at some point? We'll see if it makes it through there. Oh, it stopped. Okay. What the fuck was that? Good says, totally agree with Anthony. Indirection comes at a cost. The cost is worth it when an abstraction makes the code easier to reason about. Yeah. Yeah, what was the, like, vagintillion there? What was going on there? Doug, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. Inline constants bad, BS. I have more static final string merge command end parentheses. Const comma equals comma. I've definitely seen this before. It's like, no, you've made it more typing and more confusing. If I see a variable called comma, I'm immediately suspicious. What is in that variable? And it better be a fucking comma, and why does it exist? But yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this should be just slight improvement. Blobless clone. Check the tests. Good. Use blobless clone for faster auto update. Const com equals u plus 002c. Jail. Death penalty. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay, open this up. Create. And we can click the fancy auto merge button. Oh, and maybe this will be a day where GitHub does not go down during stream. That would be That would be pleasant. It'd be quite pleasant. Person never respond. Oh, never responded. Cool. Is this person gonna work on this? Can I write a patch for this a month ago? Well, don't feel like that one's gonna happen. Comma final literal comma equals comma. Yeah. I literally had to talk about this at work, and as I noticed a pattern where they extracted small unnecessary methods for everything. For instance, creating a method ID whose implementation was a single line params : ID. They did that for like 10 other keys, so we ended up having 10 plus methods delegating to the params much. That sucks. T1Dito says, no, sorry, it's a date that ends in Y, so it's going to go down. Oh, is this your screenshot of your absurd constants thing? Oh god. Oh no. At least they are all actually colons. At least they are all actually colons. It could be worse. It could be way worse. Alright, I gave you a warning, Sussy guys. Stop it. Okay, how am I gonna handle this? Yeah, I think we'll just say fuck the output. Yeah. Someone got sent to the Shadow Realm. Yeah, they kept trying to share their shitty blog posts that I don't care about and I'm not going to read on stream. You do not get free advertising on stream. What is this? Oh. Why are you failing? What got broken this time? Like... Oh, shit! The imp module is gone. Oh, that is gonna suck. Wait, are they formatting it with... Oh, never mind. I thought this was like black. Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Well, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. We'll do that later. Unless Debian has already done it, and then we could just... that. Wolford says, can I advertise my love for you on stream? Yeah, there's nothing against that. Is there a super imp mode now? Like simp? Yeah. If you're naming the variable colon and it contains colon, I don't understand why you want it as a variable in the first place. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what we were talking about, Raisin, about unnecessary nonsense there. Alright. You can technically mistype a colon. True. Alright. Let's just refactor some of the code here. Do equals repo rev info from config. Repo config. I mean, it should be really called repo. Repo. This should take. Why is this defaulted? And then. Where is this thing? I know I wrote it here. Mapper. Yes. And then we can do with thread mapper yobs as do map oh, but it has to maintain order. Tricky. Twitch Disenchantee says, I mean, if you want to change your column everywhere for a semicolon, that would be easy to refactor. Oh, colon. Yeah, when the fuck would you ever change a colon to a semicolon, though? I can never think about it. I don't think that would ever work. Let's set or find replace. I don't think you would ever want to do that. You do not need to optimize something for something that should never happen. Captain says, at my first place I worked, it was a Unity place, and the artists were doing dev, and I saw crimes like global var 1 equals 1. Oh no. Yes, the problem with this is... does map return in order? Well, we can try it empirically and find out. Does map type function first? I don't know, I don't use map filter reduce. Function. Lambda sleep. 10 minus I. Lambda I. Comma. Or return or I times I. So it should square the things. Generator, fucking A. I waited for everything to complete. Let's try this again. Print list. Let's just do 6 minus I so it doesn't take as long. Okay, so it seems to maintain the order. Even if they're run out of order? Yeah. Okay. Ooh. I mean, that would change the order be unexpected? Not necessarily. There is an unordered map. Not here though. But which actually tends to be faster because it doesn't care. Yeah. Oh, this is new. IMAP. Yeah, IMAP and IMAP unordered. Ugh. But anyway. Why are we emailing? What? Are we emailing? What? I'm confused. Oh, IMAP? Oh, the person that I banned is yeah, just ban them then. Just ban them then, D-dolls. Timeout was too kind if it's terrible. I don't know why people do that. Look at my link. Look at my link. Idiots. Also reported the GitHub repo. Wait, it was on GitHub too. Gross. Cool. Okay. Anyway, so we could do it like this. We could do as completed. Oh, but if we keep them in order, it's fine. Yeah, we can just use mapper. Okay, then we have rev infos equals do map is gonna give us a generator iterable list do map update 1 do maybe we actually do it like this. Oh, we have exception handling to do as well. Ah! Okay, so we can't do it as a mapper. This makes it so annoying. What did Gabrinet do here? How did this one work? Does thread pool executor run in process if it's exactly 1, or inline if it's exactly 1? Or does it still make a separate thread? Read this blog post about these nuts? Yeah. Seriously. Yeah, that's tricky. Yeah, because we have errors, so we need to use... We need to know... We need to handle errors one at a time also. So we can't do it like this. I would like it to just be simple loop otherwise, but... Jobs does not equal 1. What is this second argument to pool submit? Oh, it is just the function? Oh, that's saying whether it's parallel or not. So the function knows whether it's parallel or not. I think that's not. I have to call results on it. Yeah, so it's definitely not gonna be... as nice? Yeah. So it does make a separate thread, I think? It's not as nice to debug. In fact, it fucking sucks to debug. Easy light. Oh, hello. How you doing? A distinct thread for main, even if the pool is 1. Yeah, that's what I figured. Silly Laird. Hello, hello. It's been a while. How you doing? Yeah, like I don't really want it to do threading if it doesn't have to do threading. Tricky. It's tricky. Yeah, but we kind of need it to do exception handling. I guess we could have it not be exceptions. It's called control flow. Yeah, it could just be a union. It doesn't have to be exceptions. But the problem is if there's an unexpected exception, we want to handle that properly as well. So it's probably have to do with futures. Deal with the one thread overhead. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to do this. I don't want to do this at all. Every function with another one doing the exception handling. Yeah. But there's unexpected exceptions too. There's expected exceptions which we can handle with a union or something. Silly Lights has been dealing with internet drama, moderating a video platform site. Oh, that sounds like a pain. Kevin says, be right back. I have some cable management to attend to. Say hi to Jenny for me. Fuck. That's good. That's good. Ugh. This sucks. This is annoying. So Lord says, my cable management is like, if not on the ceiling, it's not good enough. Yeah. Yeah. The idea of union either sounds good. Yeah. The problem is there's unexpected exceptions that can happen. Like if the call crashes, the output would be nonsense. Which is generally the problem with parallel stuff. So I guess we just eat the one thread overhead. I really did not want to have a one thread overhead, even with, but I think it's either that or write the code twice. And I don't really want to write the code twice. Like it's either simple loop with different control flow. Yeah, I think we just have to do the. We just have to do a one array thread, which is annoying, but. Ten ditches. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh. The future returns old and new. Yeah, that makes sense. Update 1 to do. Mm-hmm. But how do we get the ordering back? A big block of nuns. Futures. This is an index? A map? I see. Yeah. One way to do it. Map it back. Twitch account was banned by Twitch? Nice. Nice. DK90 says, finally clicked buy on Kinesis. How did you find the swap from standard to split? This keyword is very easy. This particular one is extremely easy. I talk about it in my video on it if you want to click through the link that DDoS just posted. Yeah, so we have to maintain order as well. Rev info is a name tuple. So we can just, there could be multiple copies of it. We could enumerate and then this would be I old new. Yeah, that would maybe work. The Fringe game was strong when you made this? Oh. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty old video. Yeah, I think this will work. Oh, but this has to be the original repo. Oh, but we don't know the original repo because it's an error. Shit. I guess we can put... I guess we'll change the output of this. Why do we have dictionary here? Oh, I see. Variable type int, never used it deliberately. Yeah, well, it's just a union. Hepta, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay. This really can just be stir e. That's the error case. I don't need to continue. Otherwise, if new.rev does not equal old.rev, what did changed actually get used for? Oh, changed is bool. Yeah, okay. Changed equals true. Oh. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna fill my water. I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. I also got hand lotion and my chapstick so that I can make my hands not dry. Hooray! So Ryan says, I'm still debating on having a separate split keyboard just for typing. I have the Real Force with Topper switches. I like it. Topper is not considered a mechanical switch. I'm not gonna judge. Sounds cool to me. What was I doing? What was I gonna say? I had a thing to say. Oh well, it's gone. Oh, I was supposed to text my dad. I'll do that in a sec. I should have done that on my break. Oh well. Okay, so we still have to do the same thing as last time. Alright, oops. Wait, how did this frozen thing work? How did this work before? Oh. With these options here, I understand now. We have to pass those along. How does submit work? Oh. I old tags only equals tags only, freeze equals freeze, or I old in. That's how this works, right? Something like that? Yeah. Negative nonsense. I switched to split tilted keyboard after getting wrist problems. Wrists are a lot happier now. Nice. There's an extra pen here. Yeah, something like that. And then we can have update 1, which takes int old rev info tags only bool freeze bool to tuple int rev info, and at the end they return I old new. I'm gonna figure out how to make that. Okay. Oh wait. How did it get? How did we get this? That needs the whole repo config. I guess it needs hook IDs. Teddy says, there ever a case where type ending inside a function makes sense? I see it a lot for function parameters and return types. I only type hint variables if it is ambiguous, if the type checker yells at me. Otherwise it is a waste of time. Almost all the type checkers have inferencing, so they don't need that. Lunted Blazer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we actually don't need the full repo config. We just need its hook IDs. So this is not quite what we want. Repo hook ID for hook in repo hooks. This is kind of gross. We're gonna do this differently. We don't need you. Oh, we do need you. Kind of. We're gonna do rev infos equals none for repo in none for repo in repos if repo not in. Oh, we don't even have to do that. We can just do. The reason that I have to do this here is because it's not going to know what's going on. So we are unioning here. Okay, we can do this fine. We can do rev infos dot append. Oh, or if repo in local meta continue. Otherwise, rev infos dot append none, and we have futures. Hopefully, it'll inference that, right? Update 1. Oh, but we don't have I here. Because we skipped this here. There's an easy fix to that. Repo for repo inload config file repos if repo not in local meta. Yeah, there we go. That'll work. That'll work. Hyper Poseidon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I didn't understand the last part. What do type checkers have? They have inference. They can understand, like, if you do, like, x equals foo, the type checker will know that foo is maybe no parameters to int, and so you don't need to do this. The type checker already knows that this is an integer because of it knows the signature of foo. Yeah, so you don't have to, and it just clutters. It makes a bunch of nonsense. Things like initializing an empty container. You don't have to do that always because often in this case, often if you did like futures.append 1, the type checker will say, oh, I know this is an int, so I know this previous assignment to empty list was a list of int. So it doesn't need to do any inference here. Here I have to do this because we're initializing it to a list of nones, and so the inference is going to say that this is a list of nones. And so I have to tell it that later we're going to modify this and stick rev infos in there. Oda says, how much I was missing your streams. Just watching you work on my side monitor makes me 10x more productive. Nice. Nice. I'm effective 10xer. Yeah. Okay, so this no longer takes this. Takes repo, which is gonna be dictster any. And then oops. Rev info dot something from config. Never thought I'd see a real life 10x engineer. Yeah. Config. Repo. Wait a minute. How does it know? How does it know if the old one was frozen? Oh, because the revs will be different. Okay, it doesn't actually care. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Do 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 do. Track hooks still exist at rev, which takes repo. Store? Where do I get a store from? I see. Perhaps. I don't have to do it like this, but this will work fine. Repo new store. A little clunky, but it should work. Okay, if they're different, if new info dot frozen. Updated to equals new dot frozen. Why do I feel like frozen was a boolean? Must not be. It is stir. It is optional stir. Okay. Otherwise. Right line. New dot repo in squackets. Updating. Dot rev to updated to. Cool. We can probably reduce some of the indentation here. If we get two. Also, that should say old. Here as well. But what we can do here is continue and then do the same, continue. Actually, I think this makes it harder to read though. I'm gonna go back to my control flowy one. Zatara, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Right line. Hold dot repo. Already up to date. Maybe we can do... right like? We also need to assign rev infos I equals new. Yeah. The Notorious also noticed my typo. Nice. Good job. Cool. And this could be ternary. But I don't think it needs to be. Okay, let's save this and run the type checker and see how mad it is. Argument 3, to submit of executor. The full message there. Incompatible type stir expected dict stir any. Built-in list of built-in stir. What? How? What? It should be dict stir any. How does it think that is the case? Why, pie, you're drunk. Reveal type is any. Then how does it become... How does it become list of stir? Oh. Oh. Oops. Oh. Wait, how does repos get used? Oh, we gotta skip it as well. Okay, so we can just say if not repos or info dot or repo in repos. That's this bit here. Oh, but we're gonna print output for that too now. Oh, I know we don't. Yeah. Okay. What happens if we reveal type? My old new. What is my thing? Oh, I think reveal type is no longer an error. Which is annoying. Because it means you could accidentally take something in. Okay, it knows about those. Good. Should crash. Auto update. Auto update parser.add argument -j jobs type equals int equals 1. Where is the where's the processor count thing? Oh. Hmm. Hmm. This is going to cause all of the languages to run. Infamous Quiet, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh. This is gonna not work. Maybe it is gonna work. Meow GPT. Oh no. What do we have in chat now? Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. I feel like you changed your name. What was your name before? Al Mulish, if you phrase it as a question, the bot will tell you the answer. Mm-hmm. Hello, hello, how you doing? Someone gifted me the sub? No, you've been here before. Because you have messages in chat. But I feel like you have a different username. Can you read this for me? No, I cannot. Unable to time out user. Do I just suck at using this? There you go. I don't know what your message says, but I'm not gonna read things in a random language that I don't know. I don't know whether they're appropriate or not. Yeah, okay. It seems to do the thing that it intends to do. Oh, we should probably be smart about jobs. Does min take multiple arguments? It does, okay. Jobs equals min jobs. Len. Ooh, len repos or it's 0. Or len config repos. Yeah. Sucks as there's no way to look at historical names via Twitch. Yeah. Yeah. But I kind of understand why, because it would kind of be a lot of annoying work. Huh. Apparently there are a lot of a particular Pokemon in Pokemon Go right now. My partner just told me. I don't see them on my map. You could via chat logs? Yeah, but it doesn't show what their user is. I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, maybe. I don't think Twitch has the infrastructure for it though, or the developers anymore. Oops. Yeah, so if I did like pre-commit auto update -J100, I hope it doesn't make 100 threads. Untype has no attribute, it has no length. Who? Where? Oh, there are a bunch of this Pokemon. Do I have this Pokemon? I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, not me playing Pokemon Go while streaming. Here, look. Pokemon Go. Whoa! Yeah, I have this Pokemon already. Okay, it must just be a special event then. Bloop. I don't know what's none there. It should not be none. Probably because the type annotation is wrong. But I don't know anything about that. Oh, this has to be default equals this. And then it should fit the thing there. Oh, I have to grab their names on their chat logs locally? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we can figure out what their name was. That makes sense. Okay, now I understand. So if we go here, grab this log star. Oh, Amia, I believe is what their name was before. Cool, interesting. I guess that's the way things go. Oh, I see. There is a special research right now. Got it. Ends in 4 hours. Okay, well, that took a long time for the last one, for some reason. Okay, but it does seem to be working. Okay. And if we do J0? Yeah, seems to work. This should fail when it checks the output. Max workers must be greater than 0. What? Oh. Because there are no repos. Yeah. Yeah, but if there's any tests that check output, they should fail. Really? Nothing tests the output? I guess. We're free to change it then. Okay. Sarcastic dot. No! No! I like how TTS thinks it's called PipeEnv. Yeah, very close. Thank you for the resub at 47 months. Holy shit. One more, and it'll be 4 years. It's crazy. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you, as always. What is your, oh, is that an emote that everyone has? Huh. Interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. Is that one new? PipeEnv. Guess we should add a help message. One government pick is their help message. Parallelization level to use. Threads to use. 04. Yeah. Faster env installs? Yeah, and this is not env installs, this is for auto update. Yeah, installation in parallel is not safe and doesn't necessarily make things faster. Cloning could really be in parallel, but anytime you deal with parallel that, and then you have to deal with like GitHub or GitHub rate limiting, and this is at least opt-in, and I don't really want to support this, but it's not terrible, and I feel bad saying no to government. I feel bad saying no to Toxman, but hmm. Hmm. Yeah, so it doesn't actually make it that much faster, does it? Because everything is blocked on the other check, which can't be done in parallel. Hmm. Interesting. There's probably a better way to do this. Did the pair make any speed claims? Maybe. But we could do what we could do what Pigment CI does and spit out the hook IDs from this call here. Since we already have a clone and it's already separate, and that would actually remove all the output as well. It would need to pull down a blob though. Blob filter it. I wonder if we can make it filter to just the just by file name. Filter spec. I don't give a fuck. Just tell me how it works. Holy shit. uh, this is object ID. Fucking useless. Hmm. There we go. Sparse colon path. That one story from an arbitrary path on the file system has been dropped for security reasons. So, oh my god, I have too many tabs. Tabs are going away. So if we do get close or get init wat. Get wait, where's my oh, that's on the other branch. On this branch. Oh, sparse path filter support has been dropped. Okay, well, clearly not. Someone forgot to TLDR. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Kevin? I've successfully managed the cables. Nice. Yeah, so we don't have a fast way to do this, I think. But I think we can do this. And then describe or get show. Let's pick an arbitrary one. We can do this. It will perform one small fetch. And get this. It's a little chatty, but it prevents another full clone and locking. Hey, Werty, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But this is so convenient. I'm gonna upload pack allow filter true and config. Wait, really? Seems to still not work. Hey, what's up, Rask? Hello, hello. How you doing? We're still working on parallel auto update. We found a problem, which is that it doesn't really work. Doesn't make it faster because Prigment only allows a single writer to store. So when it tries to check the hooks later, and so the blobless clone actually I think makes it slower because it has to do 2 full packs rather than 1. Those jerks, yeah. Stu Steaky on, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, so without changing this significantly, we can't actually make it faster. Or at least on a clean cache. Which is annoying. How does frequency do this? Hmm. It just it refetches it. Yeah, I think we can maybe steal this function. Maybe. What I said, change my life for forever. Made a sandwich with peanut butter and marshmallows. There's apparently a normal sandwich called a fluffer nutter. That does not sound like an appropriate word. I feel like that is something I will look up in a safe search tab. Oh, there's apparently a thing. uh, a fluffer nutter. Would I ever lie to you? No, I'm not saying you would lie to me. And just, it just, I mean, a fluffer is a thing, and I mean, a nutter is potentially a thing. And so a fluffer nutter just, anyway, I'll let you fill in the blanks there. This song loops. Skipping it. Wee Tommy, hello. How you doing? Feed the Pin says fluffernutter is just inappropriate. Yeah. Fluffernutter fluff. God, I can't even fucking say it now. Let's just say hook IDs frozen set stir equals frozen set. I should probably just say equals none here as well. Wilbur says, hey, you're that dude from PyCon. Just followed. Wait, you've been to the chat before. Your name's familiar. How's it going? Wee Tommy's also here. Hello. The one says I just understood it. Oh. Time to make a bunch of inappropriate Reddit posts to ruin the search results. Hey, how you doing, Stonkfish? In German, if you buy baby food from one company, you get a bib for free which says, I love when daddy feeds me. A fluffer nutter sounds like somebody who took their job too seriously. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it does. Okay, so we need to also find Sukadis here. Oh. Okay, so we used to show the manifest error here, which I guess we can still raise out. Yeah, that'll still work. How's that gonna work? We won't need, yeah, we will still need this. We won't need store. So we can YAML load. Yeah, unfortunately this is load from file name. We don't have like a good load from string. We can just catch YAML error. Ah. You can also just write out a temporary file. Yeah, we'll just have it check out the file. Yeah, that's what we'll do. um this can raise do, 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 do. Oh, this needs to be CWD'd, right? Why is it CWD instead of get dash capital C? I feel like this is for old versions of Git. But we don't actually test against old versions of Git, so I don't super care if I break them. Fix rev parse for older Git versions. No, it's not that one. Restore Git 1.8 support. Yeah, fuck that. Git 1.8 is hella ancient. This is too easy to forget. I'm just gonna do that. Underscore IDs. Also, there's a parenthesis that's fucked up somewhere. Here. Oh, who kids? Lol. Okay, so we don't need store anymore here. Don't need to pass around store either. Hmm. Okay, that seems good. Nice. Nice. But what does the test say? Test's a little angy. Probably because store is getting passed along and we don't need it anymore. Hmm. I just relayed, what does the fox say to you saying, what does the test say? Yeah. What do the tests say? So many store removals. Reminds me of Blockbuster, yeah. So parts of this can actually be done without refactoring everything. Still one F. Still two Fs. Ah, okay, good. There is actually a test for this already. Just latest no config. Oh, and then I used your test solution tool and work the other day. Solved an issue. My colleagues thought I was a wizard. Nice, nice. You are a wizard, Tommy. Yeah. Okay, good. This to do is actually called out. Oh. Hmm. Something like that. This is never called. Time to get yourself an owl. Yeah. So the old code caught the file not existing there. So it could just suppress there. Oh, this song loops. Yeah, seems better. Ow. Okay, I feel like I should split out the code improvements from this. Wolford says, I'm back to smoke my mom Alvo. I don't know what Alvo is. What is that? Oh, there's two things to do here. Fuck. We did so many things. Auto update dash C. Yeah, so the first thing that we actually did is just move this here. Oh, sad. One character too long. Maybe we can call this underscore get. Yeah. Did I fuck one of the other ones up? Probably. Find it at some point. Really all that this is different is this. Hey, what's up, Parset? Hello, how you doing? I I wonder if we add, well, this is gonna conflict with the other thing. Yeah, this line gets too long. Anyway, so we make it shorter, then make it longer. Probably don't even need this because they're both one tuples. And get describe fetch add tags tag opt. Although that feels fine. Yeah, it seems nicer. Yeah, underscore get is so that it doesn't conflict with this guy here. Hi, why aren't you using a text editor or an IDE? Am I not? What am I doing? Am I waggling a magnet and it's changing bits on disk? What? How would that work? Use -c for get commands in autoupdate. Medeth, hello, how you doing? Kedin, good to see you again. Welcome back. Conflict, yay! Cool. Trying to find a tutorial for me for building your own command line. This one maybe? Loop614, how you doing? Oh, you already found that video. Do you want the arc parse tutorial? Is that the one you're looking for? This one? Okay. Or math, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so mostly just re-warbling there. Good. What I find disturbing are these uneven terminal windows. Here we go. It's just because the tabs have a height for some reason. Now they're fixed. That might be 1 pixel off, but... Kenan says, I wish I could show my non-programmer coworkers the joy and simplicity of the command line app. It just looks like wizardry to them. It is a little wizardry. Okay, now I gotta rebase the other things. No surprise there. Huh. I think we can just take this side. And take... Change here. Oh, we changed the temp. Take that side. And take that side. Then we have to adjust these. Maybe the nano-inspired text editor created by the wizard programmer Anthony Still is sleek, powerful, and customizable. Say goodbye to clunky editors and hello to Babby. Yeah, you can't say the ban word. Ban word is banned. Product and design people and they have to read instructions for internal instead of a pretty UI. Yeah. And dash no. 3 base, continue. What was the other thing that I wanted to split out? Oh, the storeless stuff. Yeah. Auto update without store. We're making a stack. No, yes. 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 Split. Yes. 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 No. No. Then we'll have to make some manual edit here. Story's gone. These should really be keyword only. Hmm. What? Oh, that exception bubbled out for some reason. Oh. And this is the new format here. Have you done a video on auto stash? I am not a fan of it. I don't trust Git's stash at all because it's too easy to lose changes in it. From auto date without or song is looping also. Okay, so we gotta wait for this one to merge, which is basically just waiting for Windows. Old code. Okay. Update the error message, update the error message. Little helper function, pass along jobs. I think I should do the xargs work in here instead of in main. I'm gonna change that. Do an example of mine, or do you mean in general? Auto stash is nice because it only pops to the stash if it applied cleanly. So the situation that I've ended up in is running get stash, then making changes or switching branches, and then doing stash pop, and instead of it erroring because it couldn't apply the stash, it errors and then loses the stash. So why I use git diff and patch files, and I know I'm probably wrong and someone could probably show me an option, but I'm stubborn and I'm probably not going to change. Hey, what's up, Wilfred? you doing? Is this merged yet? No. Windows. Why are you proud of me, Wilfred? What did I which thing this time? Do you have a dirt full of leftover patch files? No. I just write them to my working directory. This new line is kind of a problem. I haven't cussed anyone out today. I mean, we banned somebody. And it's pretty close, right? We banned them barely before they were banned by Twitch. Oh, you know what? They probably trolled Melky, and then Melky probably just yoinked him. He's Luista. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We learned a new word today, fluffernutter. It's true. It's true. I love the juxtaposition when Anthony writes a really polite get up issue reply while swearing on his breath on stream. Yeah. Yeah. You miss Melly Bean? Yeah, well, Mel and I have both been very busy, so I don't know when the next one of those is going to be. Oh wait, why is this here? That means this other patch. Oh, we haven't pushed the other patch yet. Okay, that's good. And check out autoupdate without store. This should be erroring. Yeah. Oh, in multiple cases. It's a little strange that it calls autoupdate, but that's fine. Thing. And then we gotta rebase this. 69, nice. Sweet. Have you merged yet? Yes, you have. Nice. Not sure how I feel about that, but it's probably okay. Store blah by store. It's gonna be faster. Yeah, it's always gonna be faster. Yeah, the oldest version of auto update used to do the git stuff inside the store repos, and then that stopped happening at some point because various sad things broke, and it was just annoying. But this should be better now. Okay, then we just need to wait for the other one to merge. Let's see if Debian has fixed their PyMinDeps to not need imp. Debian Python 3.11 here. God, I'm so bad at finding their source code because I don't think that this actually goes to the right place. But we can probably find it in here. PyMinDeps, where are you? Nope, still fucked. Okay, well. VCS. Yeah, let's see if they fixed it in here yet. 3.11. 2 weeks ago. PyMinDeps. Oh, they have? Maybe. Nope, still fucked. Ugh. Oh man. What do they actually use imp for? What the fuck? Oh, this is gonna suck. Why do they do this? Oh, because this is an old school module finder. Christ. Yeah, I don't really want to work on that. I don't really want to work on that. So we are. Who's mad here? Coverage? Failure. Oh, this is wrong now. Autoupdate will clone the old and new repo, making the old one garbage collectible. That is not true anymore. That is not true anymore. Moo time. Hello, Lum. How you doing? Tofu-fu-fu-fu's also here. How you doing, Tofu-fu-fu? Good to see you again. Moo time. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Songs looping also. This is the part of the playlist that's real fucky. Here we go. See, it's great to get this response in a minute instead of having to wait for 20 of them. I'm doing well. Yeah, I'm doing great. Do we try and find out how PyMinDeps works? Maybe. What am I doing? Slow clone. I guess slow, but it's doing 8 megabytes per second, so I can't really complain. It's a pretty fast clone, actually. Oh, we're pipelining. We're doing 2 things at once. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty faster. I think if we do J10, it'll go as burr as possible. I can only guess who wrote that, yeah. Loop614 says, I'm so thankful you are a streamer. In what way? Just because I'm curious. Onto Jammy. What is this supposed to do? What in the fuck? Path. What is path supposed to be? Syspath? Hmm. Oops. I think this whole thing needs to be rewritten, unfortunately. Let me see how it gets used though. Minmods.py. Hmm. Oh, it loads a file? Okay. Like pever minimal.readme? Uh Built-in module extension. Module extension built-in package. Okay. So that gets us our list of modules. This is all of our imports. So I don't know where that came from. Probably this was wrong. Oh, yeah. This should fix it, but for dumb reasons. Yeah. Right, it's opt parse. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see if I remember how to make an importer. Because I made the one in PyTest. I made the new version of it. PyTest, the PyTest. mf.types. What is this? Oh, if it's a different type than it expects, I guess. Huh. Source PyTest assertion rewrites is where our importer is. Know that it actually needs the ABC here. Find spec is where this happens. Oh, also this is merged. Okay. This should be 2844. you. Changes from pi upgrade hook not detected. Seems fine to me. This error, an unrelated error. What did they change? I38 plus? Maybe there's just no changes. Yeah, there's just no changes, dude. Also, it's because their configs are different. See? Pipegrid doesn't even cover PyI files, so I don't know why they're even seeing that. Pretty sure it does not. Yeah, there's no PyI. They had some other thing that changed it. If they look at the PR for this, it's no longer part of their PR. If you look at their PR where pre-commit CI made a change, you look here, it'll be isort changing it. Oh, Pipegrid did change it. But it was also isort that changed it. Yeah, these are .py files, not PyI files. And there are no... There are no... Well, there are Py files, but nothing that needed changing, I guess. Anyway. Anyway. Okay. Importer. So is this trying to find a... Oh, it's trying to do... It's really... I wonder if this could be rewritten with X import time. Where's the file I made? mods.py. What are all these made up modules? Is there just like a bunch of fucking leftover garbage from like 3.27 in there? Okay, this is much more work than I want to deal with today, so I'm probably gonna wrap up stream here, and I will see you back on Monday. I'm gonna try and record videos tomorrow so that we have stuff to do. So we have videos next week. But let's wrap this up here. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. And I've been on vacation for a month, and oh god, do I want to see how my numbers? Zebra, hello. Sorry. Yeah, my numbers are only down 40%, which is not, feels not the worst, but let's try and I'm not gonna feel content with that, but anyway, I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on those on the second channel. I don't upload those to Twitch anymore because of DMCA shenanigans, so anthonywritescode-vods, that's where to get those. Sprungles, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Box of Ninjas, oh no! I feel like everyone that shows up right at the end is like, sorry. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com. Oh my god, I haven't done this in so long. What am I doing? Twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what I'm going to work on, and then we get it done. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a bunch of fun social channels, and there's also the beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and a bunch of smart people that can answer that as well. Box of Ninjas, thank you for the resub at 15 months. Good to see you. Appreciate your continued support. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.